Hi guys, I just want to stop by and talk to you all about these new pictures that came out last night of a new DJI drone. If we look at them here, it's pretty hard to tell what this drone will be. Is it the Mavic 3 that we've been waiting for? Or is it a Mini 2S or a Mini 3? Some people are suggesting that DJI are bringing out a Mavic Mini 3, possibly to compete against the new Hubsan Xeno Pro Mini, which is coming out any day now and is in fact available for pre-order on Banggood. So if we look at the history of things, the Mavic 2 Pro I think came out in 2018 August. So are we seeing this leak now because the Mavic 3 is coming out? I think DJI owe it to their Mavic 2 Pro customers to bring out the Mavic 3 soon. But we had the 2S came out like last month, so to be seeing leaks again already is just nuts. I think DJI are turning into Apple with their biannual releases of new toys. Well, it's very interesting to see this coming out, and by looking at the shell that we have there, it's difficult to tell what this drone will be. But if you guys know, if you have any idea what you think it could be, please put some comments down there in the comments and let me know. Let's have a chat about it because it's very exciting. And I'm sure in the weeks to come, we're going to see a lot more leaked pictures. Let's see what happens, and let's hope for the sake of the Mavic 2 Pro guys, this is the Mavic 3. Okay, thanks for watching.